flu, or H5N1, is all over the news. Over 166 million birds have died, causing egg shortages across the U.S. But what exactly is bird flu, and what can you do to stay safe? Bird flu is caused by a virus. Specifically, it is caused by the influenza A virus. The influenza A virus is primarily present in birds, but it can also be spread to humans through bird droppings or respiratory droplets. Bird flu is nothing new. The first documented cases of H5N1 occurred in Scotland in the year 1959. Numerous outbreaks followed, but they were not massive. The first transfer of bird flu from birds to humans happened in the year 1997 in Hong Kong. An outbreak caused 18 human cases and 6 deaths. Bird flu has not seen a sudden growth since then. However, in 2022, a new strain of H5N1 appeared. Not only was it more virulent, it could also spread to cows, contaminating cheese and other milk products. How many human cases have there been? According to the CDC, there are 70 cases in the U.S., but there has only been 1 confirmed death. In the world, however, there have been 950 cases with 405 fatalities. So, how can you and birds stay safe? We should stay away from birds that are sick or dead. Also, stay away from bird populations that are near an outbreak. Well, as for vaccines, there are no confirmed vaccines for humans. However, for our avian friends, there are vaccines. These vaccines, if taken in combination with early detection and monitoring, can slow an outbreak of bird flu in a population of birds. The U.S. does not vaccinate its birds, but other countries, such as China and Mexico, do. Us humans can also take regular flu treatments, such as Tamiflu. These can be used to ease the symptoms or as prophylaxis to reduce the risk of future infection. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to share this video with others and please subscribe.